Buongiorno, I'm Daniele Del Genio, and with Bruno Simeone we founded Ametlab, a company involved in the fashion system. We founded Ametlab in 2015, so 3 years ago. We had good results during these 3 years. Currently we are focused on production on one hand and on production management on the second hand. So we connected a lot of different suppliers in our area, Puglia region in the south of Italy, for offering to the market wide options of production. In the last 3 years we faced a lot of different issues working with all our suppliers and partners. So we understood that if we can manage in an efficient way the production, the wool process production, we can be more efficient for the market. We can give to our customers all informations in the right moment, in the right place. It means everywhere. We had gathered a lot of information about the production process distributed on our site and on our suppliers' site and partners too. So the point is that we put together all this information on a platform, BPM platform, Business Process Management platform, and we are ready for using this data for creating the first blockchain in the fashion system. So we would like to work with the OriginTrail for creating this blockchain and assure market about the made in Italy production. Thank you very much for your attention, and please keep in contact for any further informations. Bye, ciao ciao.